This weird beverage trick can turn your body into a fat-burning machine. Only 2% of the population knows about this, but one tiny tweak to your morning beverage, be it coffee, tea, juice or water, it can melt up to 7 pounds of visceral belly fat every single week. Scientists have been stunned to discover that this 10 seconds beverage hack can shred unwanted body fat faster than anything ever discovered. This revolutionary trick skyrockets metabolism, melting stubborn visceral fat cells, something not possible until now. Backed by hard scientific evidence from top universities. This ridiculously simple beverage trick is 10 times more effective than any existing solution and can boost your health, energy and overall well-being all at the same time. The best part is you don't have to make any changes to your lifestyle at all. That means no strenuous exercising or even dieting. A solution as simple as this has never existed before. I urge you to stop everything you are doing and click the button below to watch a short free video that will show you exactly how to use this simple 10 seconds beverage trick to lose weight starting today. Don't waste another 10 years and thousands of dollars on diets and programs that don't actually work when you can start seeing results within the next 7 days. Remember, this is 100% natural, clinically supported method that has nothing to do with dangerous medications, expensive procedures or risky surgeries. Thousands of men and women have reported groundbreaking results, as most of them were finally able to effortlessly melt belly fat and shed multiple inches off their waist in a few short weeks. This discovery is costing the big weight loss conglomerate millions, and they are doing everything in their power to keep you from discovering the fastest and most powerful fat loss solution on the planet. Click the Watch Now button below and watch it before it's too late.